Hi, hello, welcome to Electronica YouTube channel. Today we are going to start a new lesson called averages. Average. What is average? Average equal to sum of the given quantities divided by number of the given quantities. Let us take a small example to understand this concept. If you want to find the average of the first five natural numbers, how can we find? So take first five natural numbers. To find the average of the first five natural numbers, how to solve this problem? By using this formula, average equal to, I am writing the short form of the average here. Average is equal to sum of the given quantities. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, these 5 numbers are the given quantities. So we have to add or sum these 5 quantities. So sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and 5 divided by number of the given quantities. Here we have 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 quantities here. So we have to take the number 5. Add the numerator. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. And 10 plus 5 is 15. So 15 divided by 5. Cancel this. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So therefore the answer, the average is 3. Average of the first 5 natural numbers is equal to 3. Therefore average of the first 5 natural numbers is equal to 3. There is one shortcut method to find the average of the natural numbers. Similarly, shortcut method. Shortcut method. For the natural numbers, given natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the given natural numbers in this question. For any natural numbers, side by side numbers given, the of average of the given numbers is always a middle number. Here there are two numbers, here also two numbers, so the middle number is 3. This is the average of the given question. Suppose if you have numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, how can we find the average? There are two numbers this side, two numbers this side, and three numbers this side, three numbers this side. There is no single number to identify the average of these 6 numbers. So in this situation, we have to in this situation we take the average of the middle two numbers. So average is equal to sum of the given quantities are 3 plus 4. Another number of the quantities here 1 and 2. Therefore, we write it as 2. Sum the numerator 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 is 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 10, 2 5s are 10, remainder is equal. Therefore, 3.5 is the average. Average is equal to 3.5. This is the shortcut method. By seeing this also, you can find the average of the first 6 natural numbers. Here 3 numbers, this side 3 numbers. There is a something between 3 and 4. The middle number of the 3 and 4 is equal to 3.5. Why 3.5? See, 3 and 4. What? 3.1, 3.2, 3.2, 3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and 4. Therefore, this side 4 numbers and this side 4 numbers. The middle number is 3.5, we know. So average of the first 6 natural numbers is 3.5. Take another example. Suppose, what is the average of 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1? In this situation, the question contains the random numbers. So whenever the random numbers come, the shortcut method doesn't follow the random numbers. So we have to solve this by using formula only. Average is equal to, what is the sum of the quantities given? The sum is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 1 divided by total number of quantities given. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore, there are 6 quantities given in this question. add the numerator. What is the sum of the numerator? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 6. 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. Therefore, 24 divided by 6. Solve this. 6 ones are 6 fours are. Therefore, average is equal to 4. This is the average of the 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 1. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.